Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to study the chapter Our Country India. Next topic Physical Division of Class 6. All kind of landforms are present in India. This make the physical features of the country rich and diverse. The country can be divided into six major divisions based on its physical features to the northern mountain, the northern plain, the Thar desert and the peninsular plateau, the coastal plain and the island group. The northern mountain. The mountain ranges that from a wall across the North India are together known as the Northern Mountains. Most of them originate in the Pamir Node in Central Asia and run parallel to each other. The northernmost of these parallel ranges consist of Jaskar Range, the Ladakh Range, the Karakoram Range. South of these extend the massive Himalaya mountain ranges. Nine of the 10 tallest mountain peaks in the world lie in the Himalaya. Pamir Node, Jaskar Range, Ladakh Range, Karakoram Range, and Himalayan Range. They extend for almost 2500 km from the Indus River in the west to the Brahmaputra River in the east. The wide vary between 400 km in the west and 150 km in the east. The Himalaya consists of three parallel ranges and an eastern extension. Himadri and Greater Himalaya. Himadri and Greater Himalaya. This is the northernmost mountain range of the Himalayas. Some of the highest peaks of the world occur in this range. The tallest peaks that lie in the India include Kanchenjunga, 8,586 meters on the border of the India and Nepal, and the Nanda Devi, 7,816 meters. Many glaciers like the Gangotri, source of the Ganga, and the Sigiri, source of the Chenab, lie in the Himadri. Himachal or Lesser Himalaya. To the south of the Himadri lie the Himachal or the Lesser Himalaya. The Pir Panjal and Dhauladhar are important ranges of the Himachal. Some beautiful hill stations like Kullu, Nainital, Simla, Mussoorie, Manali and Darjeeling are part of the ranges. Shivalik or the Outer Himalaya. Shivalik is the southernmost of the Himalaya ranges. It is also the youngest part of the Himalaya and is still growing. Thus, it is made up a lot of the loose rock and is prone of landslide. Lovely open valley known as dunes are common here. Dehradun is located in one of the dunes. The Tarai forest lie at the foothills of the Shivalik. The Purvanchal Hills. The Purvanchal Hills are the eastern extension of the Himalayas. The Arakan, Yoma, Bogo, and Lus high hills lie on the boundary between India and Myanmar. The Garo Khasi Jaintia Hill lie at the point of where the Purvanchal Hill meet the Meghalaya Plateau. The Northern Plain. To the south of the northern mountain lie vast stretches of flat land that extend from the Arabian Sea in the west to Bay of Bengal in the east. They are known as Northern Plain. They have been formed by the rich alluvial deposit by three main rivers, the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra, and their many tributaries. This has made the northern plain extremely fertile. Indus, the Indus Plain, the Indus Plain River. The Indus River originates in the Tibet and drain into the Arabian Sea. Jhelum, Chenab, Beas, Ravi, Satluj are the principal tributaries. They flow over large part of Pakistan and Punjab and Haryana in India. The plain they drain are thus also known as the Punjab Plain. The Ganga Plain. The plain that are drained by the river Ganga and its many tributaries including the Yamuna, Gomti, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi, Son and Damodar form the fertile Ganga Plain. They stretch over Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar, part of Madhya Pradesh and West Bengal. The Brahmaputra Plain. The Brahmaputra River also originates in Tibet and flow through Arunachal Pradesh and Assam in India. Before joining in Ganga, the Bangladesh, before draining into the Bay of Bengal, the Ganga and Brahmaputra deposit huge amount of sediment and silt to form the largest and most fertile delta of the world, known as the Sundarban. Sundari, Jhabharali, and Tista are some Subansiri, Jhabharali, and Tista are some of the important tributaries of the Brahmaputra.